Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I'm Roshali, and in today's video I have my little basket full of my favorite lip products. These are brown skin approved. These are my favorite, my go-to. Also, these are like everything I have. I might not have included one or two, but these are my absolute favorite. And yeah, let's begin. So I just had to put my headband on because it's so hot and I have to talk a lot. So yeah, we have to be prepared. First, I have the Clarins Lip Oil Balm. Now, if you love a no makeup kind of a look, she is your best friend. It is one of the most interesting formulas I've used. It's so buttery, it glides like butter, literally like butter. And also the shade is really nice for brown skin. It looks intimidating, but it's really natural. And I love this was a very late discovery of 2024, but I really like it. Also, it's now available on Nykaa, so try it out. And I have two products from Fenty Beauty. Now this one is actually a lip plumper, and this is in the shade Hot Cherries. And when I say it's a plumper, it literally burns your lips. Like, she will set your lips on fire, and because it does that, you will get the plumping effect. Like, if you're really looking for a lip plumper, get this one. This is so good. And yeah, it is not for the weak ones. You have to be very strong and tolerant. And the second one is this glitter lip gloss. This is like a normal lip gloss, but I really love the glitter in it. I have it in the center of my lips right now as well, and it looks really nice on my skin tone. And this is something very interesting, but it's not intimidating. Like, I literally wear it on its own even if I'm going to the gym. It's not intimidating at all. And yeah, these are my top two favorites from Fenty Beauty. Also, I've been wanting to try their gloss in the shade Riri because I feel it's really nice for Indian skin tone. Now, while we are talking, of course, I had to mention about the e.l.f. lip oil in the shade Jam Session. This is my go-to. She is my girl. Like, if I do not have to think, I'll literally pick this one up and use it. Like, I would not reach out for any of these but her. Like, she's so good. I honestly love the formula. It's very lightweight. It's very comfortable on your lips, and the shade is also very nice. And yeah, I still have to buy the new another shade which I've been talking about in Rose Envy. And yeah, very soon once we run out of this one. Then we have the Glitterati Lip Glaze by Lakme. This is such an underrated product. Like, it looks so good. I love the applicator of this gloss, and it has like really tiny glitter particles. Like, it's not as evident as the Fenty one. It's really tiny, and this one is like a nude shade, and it looks so good, so classy. And this is a very new discovery. I think people don't know about it, and I'm telling you because it's so good. Then I have this brown gloss by Brown, BRWN, again Brown, right? This is the Pro Melanin Care range. So all of the products in this brand are, dedicated towards brown skin. And I really like their products. Their face tint is also very nice, and this is so nice. This is very close to Black Honey, but a little darker, and it looks very classy. It looks hot, it looks sexy, it looks yummy, and I love this one as well. Then I have the Crystal Glam Tint. This is by Clio. This is a Korean brand. One of my very proud discoveries, because I literally got this without watching any reviews. I found this on the Macaroon app, and I was like, I really want to try this one out. And I have emptied this one. Like, emptied in the sense, this is literally about to get done. Like, I cannot believe that I have finished a lip tint, and I've used this really religiously. And the shade, it is in the shade, I think, Cinnamon, Gentle Cinnamon, and it looks so good. It gives you those glassy kind of lips, and I absolutely love this one. If you want to try anything apart from Roman tints, get this one. Try the Clio tints. Then we have the Summer Fridays lip balm in the shade Brown Sugar. Now, I literally use this product because of its fragrance. It is so yummy. Like, literally, it's like drugs. I don't know what is it inside. Like, I want to eat it up. And also, it has a very natural brown tint, which looks very good on our skin tone. Another product from Lakme, this is the Lakme Lip Mousse, and this is like a nude brownish shade, and it's actually a liquid lipstick, like liquid lipstick to mousse, but it's matte. and for me to like a matte lipstick is huge. Like, I literally do not like them, I do not wear them, I do not recommend them, but this one I do. So yeah, this is definitely one of my top recommendations. If you're looking for a liquid lipstick, you know, you need to wear for longer events, you should try this one out. And lastly, I have these two Chotu lip products from Milk Makeup. These have been some of my very worn makeup products, like for blush as well as for lips. I think in the year 2023 end. I hope these are not expired, but I really use them in 2024 as well, and I love them. The shades, the two shades which I really like are Muse and Quirky. These are really beautiful on our skin tone, and these are matte definitely, but they work really nice as blush as well. And with that, we have come to an end to today's video. I hope you had fun and there is something you want to try out. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys, virtual hugs.